The 2026 Tesla Model X. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the 2026 Tesla Model X, Tesla's latest leap in luxury electric performance, now refined with new tech, improved range, and smarter driving capabilities. Next-level electric power. The 2026 Model X receives upgraded motors, delivering even smoother acceleration and stronger highway performance. With improved cooling systems and optimized torque distribution, the SUV launches with instant response while maintaining impressive efficiency. Tesla's continuous software updates push performance even further over time. Range and efficiency upgrades. Thanks to a redesigned battery structure and new energy-saving algorithms, the 2026 Model X offers one of the longest ranges in its class. Whether commuting or taking long road trips, drivers experience reduced charging stops and more consistent real-world range. A modernized exterior. Tesla updates the Model X with cleaner front-end styling, sharper LED lighting, and slight aerodynamic improvements that boost both efficiency and stability. The signature Falcon wing doors remain, offering dramatic access and unmistakable presence on the road. Luxury-focused interior. Inside, the cabin features a more premium layout with improved materials, enhanced sound insulation, and a refined infotainment system. The large central display is faster and more responsive, and new seating options add comfort for both daily use and long-distance travel. Autopilot and safety enhancements. Tesla upgrades its autonomous systems with better sensors, expanded detection range, and smarter prediction models. The Model X now navigates complex traffic more confidently, improving both convenience and safety. Final thoughts. The 2026 Tesla Model X blends luxury, cutting-edge technology, and powerful electric performance. It remains one of the most advanced family EVs available, delivering a futuristic driving experience with every mile.